Number 1. Place a piece of tape on the inside of a toilet paper roll and place it on your yarn winder. For this yarn holder, I'm using a toilet paper stand. Number 2. All you need is a bowl and a binder clip that you can find at any office store. Just stick your yarn in it and thread it through and you have your own DIY yarn bowl. Number 3. I found this basket at my local Dollar Tree. All you need is a wooden dowel or knitting needles. Take your skein of yarn and pierce it through the center. I added a point protector to the end so it wouldn't fall off. Number 4. Here's another cheap Dollar Tree basket that you can easily use as a yarn bowl. Number 5. Hate it when your skein of yarn begins to collapse and works itself into a knot? Take your skein and stick it in the sock and your problem solved. Your skein of yarn is compressed and each strand of yarn is in place, no longer ready to be tangled. Number 6. Paper towel holder. How about yarn holder? Number 7. Working with multiple colors? Try using a kitchen colander. Have a crochet or a yarn hack? Then comment down below and have a chance to be featured on my next hack video.